what's up guys, it's UK here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you what is inside of me. Over here I always wanted to have a superpower of shooting fireballs out of my fist, so yeah, that's what I made. And also, I made myself have a golden sword, and that's my favorite type of sword, but I'm really mad that it has super low durability. So yeah, I covered like some of the skeletal spots on my body with like lava. And if you guys are wondering how I PvP so well, that's because I can see behind me. Because I have a little zombie pigman going through the eye of my Urghast cape. See him? Okay. So yeah, guys, you could actually go into my body and look at him. So yeah, that's pretty much it for me. And yeah, so I'm going to be explaining to you how I made this. So yeah, since this is since it has some lava, I made it with barrier blocks so the lava doesn't seep through. The problem with the lava is that for the skull part, it's inside of my head, and then at random occasions my head catches on fire. So before recording this video, I had to light my head on fire. But enough with that. I used no, I didn't. I also used barriers for the chest, and yeah, I used the barriers to pretty much hold the skeleton all together. That's pretty much what I did. So yeah, guys, tell me what more things to make in the comments down below, and also, I have another video coming for you guys soon. So yeah, hope you like this video, and bye!